Think Cape Coral's best neighborhoods are already picked over? Think again. While most buyers are busy bidding up the usual hotspots, smart buyers are quietly locking in incredible value just outside the spotlight. These aren't fixer-uppers or forgotten corners. They're well-located, livable neighborhoods with serious upside. Waterfront access, future appreciation, and lifestyle without the premium price tag. That's what you'll find here. The market is shifting and the real opportunity lies in 5 underrated neighborhoods that most agents and buyers completely overlook. Whether you're relocating, investing, or searching for a second home, this video is your unfair advantage. I'm Berry Cessna, your Cape Coral real estate expert, and I've helped dozens of buyers, especially those coming from out of state, spot the hidden gems while others get funneled into overpriced, overcrowded areas. So if you're ready to stop chasing hype and start buying smarter, you're in the right place. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or retiring here in Cape Coral, contact me today. All my information is in the description below, and I can't wait to chat with you. Welcome to the Inside Track on Cape Coral Real Estate. While everyone else is fighting over the same handful of neighborhoods, savvy buyers are finding incredible value in areas that haven't hit the mainstream radar yet. What makes my approach different is simple. I don't just chase the obvious. I study growth patterns, infrastructure plans, price per square foot, and future development to uncover the neighborhoods positioned for real appreciation. My clients have found exceptional homes in up-and-coming areas that offer immediate lifestyle benefits and long-term upside appreciation. It's about seeing opportunity where others don't. And if you're thinking about buying in Cape Coral, I want to offer you a complimentary, free, no obligation neighborhood strategy consultation. Just click the link in the description below and we'll explore the options that most people are missing. Now let's dive into the 5 hidden gem neighborhoods in Cape Coral that deserve your immediate attention. Number 1, Country Club neighborhood. Central golf access with classic Cape Coral charm. Let's kick off with one of Cape Coral's most conveniently located golf access neighborhoods, the Country Club area running along Country Club Boulevard from Cape Coral Parkway to Vizcaya. This is an established part of the city where most of the homes were built between the 1970s and early 2000s. That means mature landscaping, wider streets, and homes with solid bones. Some updated, some ready for your vision. It's also one of the best areas for central access to everything, both Cape Coral amenities and quick routes into Fort Myers. You're never far from shopping, dining, golf, and medical services. And for out-of-town buyers, that accessibility is a huge plus. Now let's talk boating. Homes here are located on the indirect golf access canals, meaning you will have bridges to navigate. That's important to consider depending on your boat's height. But for many buyers, the trade-off is worth it. You'll still get the waterfront lifestyle, the peaceful canal views, and the ability to cruise out to the river and Gulf. Time to open water can range from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on the location and canal route. Some buyers love this area because they can enjoy the boating lifestyle without paying a premium for quicker access. Now, the Country Club neighborhood is ideal if you want central Cape Coral convenience with boating access, if you appreciate mature neighborhoods over those cookie-cutter new builds, and looking for a home with character and update potential. Prefer a well-kept, established community near downtown and bridges? If you're relocating, retiring, or buying a second home and want that balance of value, location, and waterfront access, Country Club might be exactly what you're looking for. And number 2, the Pelican neighborhood. Family-friendly living with classic Cape Coral waterfront appeal. Coming in at number 2 is one of the most well-rounded golf access canal neighborhoods in the city. The Pelican neighborhood located in southwest Cape Coral along and around the Pelican Boulevard area. What makes this area stand out is the perfect blend of neighborhood charm, water access, and convenience. It's a well-established section of the city with homes primarily built from the late 1980s through the early 2000s, many of which feature beautiful landscaping, screened-in pools, and that signature Florida indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Beyond the homes, Pelican is a great fit for families and active residents. You're just minutes from the Pelican baseball and soccer complex, which hosts everything from local leagues to regional tournaments. The area also offers quick access to parks, schools, and a direct shot to downtown Cape Coral's restaurants and shops. Now let's talk boating. Homes typically here offer indirect golf access, meaning properties will have at least one bridge between your dock and the open water. Bridge clearance and tides should always be considered, but many buyers find a 30 to 60-minute boat ride to the river to be well worth it for the lifestyle this neighborhood delivers. The Pelican area is ideal for buyers who want golf access in a classic residential Cape Coral neighborhood. They enjoy a mix of full-time families, retirees, and second homeowners. They value access to parks, sports facilities, and local conveniences. They prefer a location that's close to downtown without feeling too urban. If you're looking for a waterfront home in a friendly, established part of Cape Coral where boating, community, and convenience come together, Pelican might just be the perfect fit. Now, number 3, the Burntto Road waterfront opportunity meets future growth. Next up is the Burntto Road neighborhood in Northwest Cape Coral, specifically the area south of Northwest 3rd Terrace and west of Burntto Road, a rapidly evolving neighborhood with a mix of direct and indirect golf access homes that's catching the attention of savvy buyers. What makes this part of the Northwest Cape special is the variety of boating options. Depending on the location, you'll find both sailboat, no bridge access, and indirect access with time to open water ranging from just a few minutes to around 35 minutes. These canals lead you down the North Spreader and out through Matlacha Pass, a scenic and protected waterway that offers a peaceful route out to the Gulf. This section is already connected to the city water and sewer, which sets it apart from much of the northern part of Cape Coral. That's a major plus for long-term value, potential future expenses, and peace of mind. It's not just about the water. Locals enjoy easy access to Joe Stonis Park with walking trails, exercise stations, tennis and pickleball courts, and a kids' playground. And just down the road is Serenia Vista, a waterfront preserve popular for kayaking, a butterfly garden, and manatee watching. And with future development projects like Seven Islands and Coral Grove in motion, the entire area is on the verge of transformation. Northwest Cape is ideal for buyers who want golf access in a quiet and residential setting. They prefer newer homes or vacant lots to build on. They appreciate green space and preserves and outdoor recreation. And they're looking for a strong long-term appreciation potential. They like having city utilities already in place, no well or septic here. Now, if you're ready to enjoy a relaxed boating lifestyle with room to grow and want to get in before the rest of the market catches on, Northwest Cape Coral could be your sweet spot. And number 4, the Peninsulas west of Del Prado. Affordable golf access with everyday convenience tucked between Del Prado Boulevard and the Rubicon Canal. Just north of Veterans Parkway is one of Cape Coral's most practical and undervalued boating communities. What I like to call the Peninsulas west of Del Prado. This area is all about function meets location. You'll find golf access canal homes, many built between the 70s and the 90s, offering classic Florida charm and surprisingly affordable prices. Some homes have already been beautifully renovated while others are ready for updates, giving buyers a rare chance to secure golf access living without the premium price tag. Boating is simple and accessible here. Most homes have indirect access, but with short runs to the river. You're typically looking at 20 to 45 minutes to open water via the Rubicon Canal. It's ideal for casual boaters and weekend cruisers who want to enjoy the lifestyle without a long haul. Now, another big plus, most homes in this area sit on higher elevations, which means many do not require flood insurance, an uncommon advantage for golf access properties in Florida. What truly makes this area stand out is its proximity to daily essentials. You're just minutes from Cape Coral Hospital, surrounded by big box stores like Publix, Walmart, and TJ Maxx, close to a wide variety of restaurants, coffee shops, and takeout spots, centrally located for easy access to both Cape Coral and Fort Myers. The lots may be standard in size, and many of the homes smaller than what you'd find in newer neighborhoods. But that's part of the charm. You're getting into a boater-friendly community with truly livable and incredible value. Now, the area is perfect for buyers looking for turnkey or fixer-up golf access homes, retirees or snowbirds who want close access to medical and retail, investors searching for affordable waterfront with upside potential, or for anyone wanting shorter boat rides and a tight-knit established neighborhood. And if you're open to a mix of older charm, everyday conveniences, and true waterfront value, the Peninsulas west of Del Prado are one of Cape Coral's best kept secrets. And number 5, west of Chaita, golf access living with a big boost on the horizon. Located just west of Chaita Boulevard between Cape Coral Parkway and Beach Parkway, this pocket of southwest Cape Coral offers an exceptional blend of golf access living, established neighborhoods, and a prime location near the city's best amenities. Homes in this area were mostly built between the 1980s and the early 2000s, with a mix of updated properties and renovation-ready options. It's an ideal spot for buyers who want character, charm, and the ability to make a home their own. Boating here is convenient and enjoyable. While access is indirect, you're typically looking at about 30 to 60 minutes to reach open water, depending on your exact canal and bridge height. But here's the big news. The Chaita Lock is being removed, with the project expected to be completed soon. This long-awaited change is expected to reduce travel time to open water, ease navigation, and increase the overall value of homes throughout this area. In addition to better boating, the location speaks for itself. You're close to Cape Harbor, Tarpon Point, 2 of Cape Coral's premier waterfront destinations. The downtown Cape Coral district offering restaurants, shops, and nightlife, everyday essentials like grocery stores, pharmacies, and waterfront parks. This area is ideal for buyers who want a well-established golf access community. Those looking to get ahead of rising values tied to the Chaita Lock removal, retirees, or snowbirds seeking a central boater-friendly location. Homeowners who want renovation potential in a top-tier part of the Cape. Now, if you're looking for an area that offers lifestyle, location, and long-term upside, west of Chaita is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Now, you've seen 5 of Cape Coral's most undervalued golf access neighborhoods, each offering its own unique mix of location, boating lifestyle, and long-term value. The mature charm and central convenience of the country club area, quiet value and family-friendly feel of the Pelican neighborhood, the natural beauty and direct boating of Northwest Cape, the everyday convenience and hidden potential of the Peninsulas west of Del Prado, and the rising star that is west of Chaita, especially with the Chaita Lock removal on the horizon. These aren't just overlooked neighborhoods, they're smart buying opportunities. While the rest of the market competes in the obvious places, these areas are quietly building momentum, and savvy buyers are taking notice. If you're serious about buying a golf access canal home here in Cape Coral, whether it's for relocation, retirement, a second home, or even a smart investment, I'd love to help you get clear on the best fit for your lifestyle and goals. Now click the link below to schedule a free, no obligation consultation, and let's chat about your next step. I'll walk you through the neighborhoods, show you what's possible, and help you move forward with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about specific neighborhoods, flood zones, or price trends. I personally respond to every comment. The right home, the right canal, the right value, it all starts with the right guidance. Let's find your place on the water here in Cape Coral.